froze. Multi-shot. More damage. Or boss damage. Thank you. Wow. Boing. That's fun. I like that. I like bouncing. Yeet. That. Actually, no. I think that hit. Who's? I thought you were dead. No, you're not. Okay. I can afford that chest now. Dang it. I could have hit more of them, but I didn't. Oh, yeah, speed. Give me the speed. Wow. I like the Artificer. She has a lot of attacking crap. Oh, guess I'm going over here today. But she just doesn't have any mobility, except for the hover thing, which is actually more mobility than a lot of people have. Where are the items, dude? There you are. Here's one of them, at least. What is that? Major Nate? Oh, I'm gonna have to hit that up. Oh, I'm definitely hitting that up now. Okay. Get over here. Give me some monsters. I'll keep the armor piercing. Because why not? Boing! I opened that one. I'm just gonna have to go get the teleporter wherever it is. I saw it earlier. It's over here? Yeah, it's over here. Okay. Shh. Hey there. This might not go that well. Yeah, I need to boing. Okay. I can't even. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, there we go. That's unfortunate. I was doing so good too. I'm just going with Artificer again. But I didn't because I had no brain cells. There's a scrapper over there. Dang it. I missed. Okay. Cautious Slug, I'll take it. I mean, it's a little bit of healing. Better than nothing. Just not really whenever I need the healing. What do you have? Ooh. Oh. Oh! Yo! Rejuve. Awesome. Now my cautious slug will be twice as effective. You give me enough. There we go. Wax whale, I'll take it. Damage chest, healing chest. This is looking like equipment barrel. This is looking like a pretty good run, to be honest. Wow. And I'll hit this. Stun grenade. Crate glasses, always nice to have. And fungus. I mean, it goes well with my rejuve rack, but like I don't really stand still that much. What's in here? Jade elephant, I'll take it. Oh jeez. Oh, boing. Oh, hoof printer. Yes, I can use that. I can use that. And I can boing. Oh, he's dead. Okay. What did I get? Oh, okay, that's good. With my rejuve rack, that's good. Boing. Slug. Stun grenade. Fungus. There we go. They're just over there, though. I'll take that. Okay. And I'll take that. There we go. Yoink. And I kind of want to do the other one. Use my repulsive armor plate too, but I'm too lazy. Okay. Shrine of Chance. Barrel. Somebody took 84 damage over here for no reason whatsoever. Anything over here? I would have taken the monster teeth, but I just can't turn down movement speed. It's too good. It's too good. Look at that. Look how fast I am now. I'm zooming. And another goat hoof. This game just wants us to go fast. I just gotta find, money first. I'd say it's pretty important. Hello? There are any enemies over here? I can hear them. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's too close. Okay, there we go. That's enough. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Asking you shall receive, I guess, like 4 stone golems? Boing. Jeez, that's so many of them. 5 now. And yet I will still kill them all. He just jumped over my ice wall. My mouse 5 would be pretty good with it. Right hip dagger. Nice. And... brooch. I mean, I'll take it. Ouch. I'm just hit the teleporter now. As soon as I find it, where did it go? Okay, this is a kind of bad place for this to be in, but whatever. Another stone titan. Boing. What is over here? Oh, oh my lord! Get away from me! Ow! Please don't hurt me. It will stop hurting me at least. This is a lot of people again. And I can bounce on you. And then... okay. There are so many enemies now! Why did I ask for more enemies? This is terrible. It's a terrible idea. Oh, no. Ouch! Okay, it's fine. I got plenty of barrier. I can just eat that. There are so many enemies right now. Oh, and I got frozen. It's a good thing I got so much freaking regen. It's good, polyp. Okay. Music is kind of putting me in the mood, though, I will say. First time I listened to it, I just found a playlist. Just a copyright-free playlist. Put on YouTube, and it's working. Presumably. There are so many jellyfish around here right now. I forgot about my jade elephant. I completely forgot about that. Okay. I'm just gonna leave. Just gonna leave. Maybe we can hit like a fat... oh, never mind. I was wrong. Did I hit it? Yes. There we go. Okay. Whew. And... crit strikes increase that, so... I have a 15% crit chance? Yes. 15%, so... ooh, large chest. Boing. Okay, there's a lot of things again. They just show up all of a sudden. Ouch, that hurt. Be this, please. I still can't afford this. Oh, what? Random beetle. They give me this. We leave. Okay, that was not worth it. Anyways. Crit glasses. Yoink. Scrapper. Make sure to look out for any printers. Is that another large chest? That is. Oh, Jesus. You dead yet? No? Okay, now you're dead. And there wasn't enough money to open this, still. Nothing over here. Shrine of Chance there. Hit this chest first. There's 2 Shrines of Chances. Fireworks. Or nothing. Another... I've already seen that scrapper? I feel like I've seen that scrapper. Or is there just 2 scrappers? I hate this stage so much just because of these things. Oh. Prayon! Prayon! We love Prayon. Prayon is good. What did I have? Jade thing? No. I'm gonna keep this because fuel cell is 15% cooldown decrease. Oh, wow. You're scary. Not anymore. Huh. That might be pretty good with my Reju rack. But I don't know. I mean, Monster Teeth aren't the best. But I do have a lot of crowd control. I have a ton of crowd control now I think about it. So they would go pretty well. And I get a bunch of focus crystals too. Okay, that's 35% crit chance. There's so many wisps. Boing. Okay. What is that? Topaz brooch? Can I have it, please? Thank you. Okay. There's another one over here, wasn't there? Yes. Nothing. Something. Nope, I don't want that. Thank you. And what is that? ATG! Oh, that's good. Yay, this is looking like a very good run. I just get an ATG proc from my Prayon for 4,000% damage. Jeez, that was teleport. Okay, I'll just check back here real quick. And then hit it. What is this? I don't care enough. For a moment, I actually thought a boss spawned. I played Terraria too much. I was like, what? Who spawned? Oh, Jesus. Need to get you. Cute. Okay. Annihilated you. Boing. And you're almost dead. Shh. Very close to being dead. There we go, that's better. Oh man, I just got yeeted. Bandolier? I mean... Oh, I need to leave. I need to leave. Okay. I'm gonna just chuck this down there. It does zap things as it goes by, it looks like. My right click, I mean. There's so many things around here right now. Can I get out, please? Thank you. I could have died from that. Oh, that was a lot of kills. We just lightly drift to the ground. You still haven't died yet. There. Why did that take so long? Ouch. Okay. 90%. Almost there. I hate wisps. The fact they're so abundant and they have a hit scan, it's just stupid. Like probably the thing that I've most died to. Always been annoyed by. Okay. Legendary chest. I never noticed these things move. I can't even hit them. It's unfortunate. Brass contraptions suck. They hit so hard. They already have a decent amount of health too. So like, there's no drawbacks. And they also have really weird hitboxes. How much is this? 331. I can take that. No, I should work on my legendary chest first, shouldn't I? Should I? Yeah. You, sir, are scary. In fact, I'm going to use my Prayon on you. Just to make sure that you don't eat me. There we go. On the upside, that's a ton of a ton of money. We are hitting pretty hard right now. And we're almost 30 minutes in. I would say this is looking pretty good. Where did everything go? What happened? There's like a million enemies and now there's none. This makes me want to go boing. the friggin' ammo box is chasing us. And Soulbound Catalyst. I mean, Prey-on Accumulator, that's pretty good. Can't really afford the time to just hover around Chant Shrines. More energy drinks. Nice. Actually, no, there's just one. And I can't open this. Okay. We spent all of our money on a legendary chest. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's worth it or not. And crit classes. Yes! 46%. And there we go. Again, it's just so satisfying. And Bulwer Stealth Kit. I mean, not the best item. Probably one of the worst items I think you can get out of the green chest. Except for Deathmark. Deathmark is literally the worst thing ever. That's an adaptive printer, I think. Yeah, it is. In a large chest. Eesh. Infusion. I'm just gonna take that. You teleported through it. That's not how it works. You weren't allowed to do that. Crit Scythe. I'll take that. We are kind of building up a crit build. Shrine of the Mountain. Do I take that? It's looking pretty nice. Yeah, I'll take it. I'm doing a lot of damage. And I have 2 Prey-ons, so I can just use them both. Sticky Bomb. I have 2 of them now. Nice. I think these Chant Shrines are the only ones left, except for that chest down there. Another energy drink. I'm pretty sure I got 2 energy drinks from that shrine, didn't I? Rose Buckler. More defense. Why not? Oh, there's a chest right there. And a barrel. And another chest. Is that a large chest? That is a large chest. Medkit. I mean, it goes with my Regi rack, but like, Take this. Monster Teeth. I'll take that. That's 4% healing per orb. And now we can leave. I hope we don't die to a horde of many or something. I think it was over here. Yeah, it's over here. Okay. I hear that brass contraption. Gonna ignore it. Will I die for that? Probably. It's a Blazing Stone Titan. Okay. Wow. Oh, I need to just get up here. Perfect. Need to remember this is up here so I can just hit my M5 button. Look at that timer go down, dude. Go back here again. That hurts. That hurts a lot. Jeez! That hurt! That hurt way too much. I need to be careful. The moment I see him do that, I need to dip. I can't take no hit like that. Oh, that's close. That was way too close. I might die here. So I can just farm Prey-ons off these guys. Not again. Okay. He is just going into the wall now. Alright. I can hit you with a Prey-on. Hit you with this. Hit you with this. Just dump all of my utility into you. Okay. Since he's up there, it'll be a lot easier to dodge his laser. Like that, right there. That's his laser. Oh! That hits way too hard. You can use another Prey-on. And kill everything else while I'm at it. And go back here. That was close. That almost hit me. And that's a lot of people. You can almost get another Prey-on. I had to do that. I probably would have died there if I didn't do that. Might be dead here. Oh, yeah, he's definitely dead here. There we go. And just a Lemurian from the sky. An Elder Lemurian. And we're done. Wait, no. I need to get that. Yes, okay. I've already get two items for that. That was close. I almost missed that. Okay, he's dead. And I am now rich. Ground combat, that is a death sentence. Take this. Or will-o'-the-wisp. That is a lot of people. If that hit me, I probably would have been one shot. I'll take another fuel cell. As soon as I get the money. I might just have to speed run this stage, honestly, because this is going to hurt. If even one of these guys hits me, it'll hurt badly. Yes, see, look at that. I am just going to do this. I can't do anything else. They're so strong. Okay, I do have that now. Okay. I can just grab this and leave. Okay. They're just spawning. There's only brass contraptions spawning now. What is going on? I mean, they give a lot of money, but like, I want to live. Teleport's over here. I have to head for this and run. Just speed run the boss as fast as I can. Hopefully they won't get to me in time. I'm gonna loop. I like looping. If I could get up there, thank you. Okay. Just feed with Prayon. Bam. He's already doing that? No, it's a different one, okay. Then with another Prayon. Take half my health and damage. Okay. Oh, this is the one that hurts. This one hurts bad. But if it stacks enough, it'll tear you apart. I think my repulsion armor plates cover it mostly. But like, if they don't, then that's ouch. I just got eaten. You don't hit me. Oh, okay. I'm stuck here. I could have died there. That brass contraption came so close to hitting me. Okay. I just want to live. I just want to live to another loop. And he's burning me alive. Okay, yeah, I think I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. One more of these, and he's gone. Okay. Now they didn't really give me that much money, honestly. Give me another Berserker's Pauldron. Okay. Oh! Which one is this? Is there another Soulbound Catalyst? No. It is reduce skill cooldowns by 25%. Nice! I'll take that. Give me this. Steak? Sure. Sheesh. That is... So I just have so much crowd control. I do no if it's just like a one person, I do no damage. But if it's anything, it's like 5 people, they're just dead in an instant. Give me this armor piercing. Oh, well. Oh, that's not good. Cautious slug. That's 3 charges, and press the key. We run for our lives. And there's a malachite there. Or, I don't know what those are called, but it's gonna hurt. Beetle Queen? That's a lot of Beetle Queens. I'm just gonna shoot out all my Prayons. Okay. I did miss most of them. But... There's no buts there. I just missed. Nothing about this situation is good. Ouch. I cannot hit those. If I hit those, I'm probably dead. I can't jump up that rock, apparently. There's so many enemies! Jeez. I'm just farming them with my Prayon accumulator. I whiffed that. I'll take that, though. It's more crowd control. Which is funny. I already have way too much. Yeesh. What was it? There's so many corpses out here. Look at this. I'm getting 80 frames. After 3060, I'm getting 80 frames. Just put it right at your feet. Okay, that's this. And I'm getting out of here. Hopefully getting some of these guys to knock the timer down on my Prayon. Okay. I think I saw like a chest or two over there somewhere, but I don't care enough for it. Probably not worth it. Okay. We have enough money now so we can buy at least a few things. Like another goat hoof, maybe? Yep, goat hoof. And I can probably just jump up there, can't I? Or make this? I'll just use my mouse 5 if I can't, but like, yeah, I can make that. Boom. I definitely can't go to the void now, but I'm just gonna zip around here for just a bit more. Oh, that was $666. I should not have bought that. And I did the same thing. But I got a bandolier out of it. Another soldier syringe. And gasoline. Does this increase? Yeah, burns for more, okay. And where's the teleport? It's over here, okay. Hit this and then spam Prayons. I think there's one over there, isn't there? Oh, that is a lot of lasers. That is so many enemies. Okay. I don't think it'll... Does it, like, despawn or anything? Nope. Nope. Okay. Ouch. I'm just staring at my health bar right now. Dangerously close. But I think we live these. Yeah, we live these. I think. Do we? I have no idea, actually. They are just constantly lasering me. I think let's shoot a Prayon right through there to get the kills. I just fall right off. Bye. Oh, they're dead now. Get another fusion. Dang it, I almost got those treasures. Okay. Nothing here. Got some transcendences, but those will pair terribly with my rejuve rack. Okay, yeah. Nothing here. Backup mag? Backup mag. Okay. Oh, just. And more boss damage. Always welcome. Oh, I blocked that. Nice. feels cheap. Another backup mag. I can just spam these. Oh, uh,